So I had a question the other day, and it's from UK Shooter, and he's asking, did they fix the pause button? I've noticed that once you pressed, you can't take control of the drone back. So the only way to get the drone back is to return or hit the return to home button. Is that fact? So, to be honest, I've never used the pause button. Other than doing a tutorial I did years ago on the pause button, I never really use it. Now the idea of the pause button is that when the drone's bombing along and say somebody just come out of the blue, a runner say, and was running in front of your drone, you hit the pause button and that drone should stop dead. Other than letting go of your sticks. If you let go of your stick, it usually got, I don't know, maybe a couple of inches to a foot long or so. But the idea of the pause button is to stop that drone instantly. So, my demo I'm going to do for you guys is to fly towards that tree. Now, obviously, I'm using my flip today, only because I want to use my Mini 4 Pro, but because my Mini 4 Pro is dead, check out the video I done a while back. I had a severe crash. It's unfixable, guys. So, unfortunately, no more Mini 4 Pro, which probably means to you, I am saving up for another drone. But today I'm using good old faithful flip. And for those who don't even know about the pause button, so on your RC2, left hand side there, those two little red lines, that's your pause. While the drone's moving, if you press that, it will stop. Now, obviously you've got return to home as well there. Now, on the return to home, when you're flying your drone and you stop your drone flying, you press it again and it will kick into return to home. You know it's kicked in because you get that bleeping sound. But I'm going to show you the pause button. It's going to be a little bit difficult. I'm going to try and put the camera at different angles while I'm doing this. And obviously I've got avoidance as well. I won't be getting close to that. I'm not going to fly it into the tree, but I'm just going to fly it. I think you can see where the landing pad is, and we're going to do it from that. That's the plan. So get on with it. So let's get the flip up in the air, auto takeoff.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Bring it back. Just making sure not too low. Yeah, it's okay. I just want to get a bit of speed up. Okay, let's line up that tree there so you can see it. Okay, so what you got to do is I've got my finger on the forward button, you keep it on there and then you just press the pause button. So that's the plan. So off we go. I can just see somebody bombing along now. I want to stop it. Okay, you saw it, the way it dipped there. Now it just stops it. So I'm just going to bring it back and we'll do it again, and I'm going to let go of the sticks this time. Okay, off we go. I can see somebody coming along now. He's not going to stop, so I let go of the stick. Okay, so there's a slight, it doesn't stop it instantly, if you can see that. I'm going to line up the camera in a moment so you can get a better angle. So, now the guy said to me, after he sent that message, he sent me another one, and he noticed after 3 or 4 times, it will lock. But at the moment, it's doing fine. So it's bombing along, bombing along. I've got it on full pelt. Okay. Now, it didn't do it that first time then. I'll do it again. Right, will it do it in sports mode? Let's try sports mode. Okay. Never done it in sports mode. Right. Now I did let go of the stick then, because that was going fast. Okay. I'm just going to press the pause. I mean that's pretty impressive. No, right, so there's no problem when I'm in sports mode. I'm just going to put it back onto normal. So we're just potting along here. We're doing about 6 miles per hour. Press the pause button. Yeah. Right, so didn't do it that time. I mean, I will keep going for a bit. Okay. Didn't do it that time. Did it all right. Now he did say it's about 8 times, so bear with me, guys, because I like testing these things out. Nothing, nothing. So that was twice that time. It didn't work. Do it again. One, 2, 3. I've lost count how many times I've been doing it now, but I don't think I've done 8 times yet. I'll just give it 3 more goes. Three. Okay, so that's interesting. Okay. I mean, like I said before, when would you really need to do this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, I'll just do it once more, and then I'll put the camera on it so you can see it face on. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'm just going to move the camera. So I'm just setting up the shot. Just going to press the pause button now. That was on 3 movements on the stick then. Right, what I'm going to do this time, I'm going to put it onto sports mode. I mean, that's pretty impressive. Let's take that back again. Okay. Put it on sports mode. Okay, still not having any problems taking control of it again. I'm just going to bring the drone over a little bit. Okay. Just getting it lined up. Okay, here we go. Okay, I like that. I'll just do it once more, because yeah, okay, so I'm going to bring the drone in and we'll have a quick chat. I'll be honest, I was pretty impressed today with my DJI Flip. Never been a great lover of it, but today it did everything that it was supposed to. It even stopped. It landed. Yeah, pretty impressed. Anyway, the whole point of this video was to see was there a problem with the RC2 controller, and from what I could see, not really. Obviously, if you keep pressing the pause button when it's in flight, it did seem after a couple of goes, you couldn't take control until you moved the stick 3 or 4 times, and then you took control. But I had control, so on that side of it, yeah, it works. And for those who didn't even know anything about the pause button, because as always, a lot of us don't read the manual, but that pause button is pretty good. And you can see there, even in sports mode, it stopped straight away. And the return to home is on that button as well. Now you've got to remember, with the return to home, guys, the drone has stopped, you press the button, and it's when you hear the bleeps. When you hear the bleeps, it'll then kick into return to home, which I think, to me, that's more important. But I can understand the pause button has got its purpose. I'm just going to put that back onto normal. Hope you found the video interesting. Give it a like if you found it worth it. If you didn't, tough. But as always, there's going to be another video coming very sooner.